Hello, this is Ana Almeida Comelin here from the Catalan Institute of Water Research. So I just want to share this quick video with you to tell you about starting experiments and about industry experience with the good laboratory practice. So basically, when you're planning for experiments, when you're going to start experiments, it's very important that you have your lab clean, you have your benches organized, and you know that you have enough stock to be doing your experiments. And something that I learned from the industry that was very good for me was to think about that 2 months in advance at least, so you have time to put your stock in place, you have time to get the lab organized, to tell people I'm going to be working on this, so that you don't lose time with these organizational steps and you can think about the science. So this is an update from the project ENVIROSTOME, a Marie Curie fellowship at the Catalan Institute of Water Research, and when I have results, when I have more news, I will share with you here through Twitter or LinkedIn. Bye bye.